Hello friend, it's me, Joanna, and today we're going to play a guessing game. I'm going to show you photos from the Siblings Are Dating Instagram account and we're gonna guess whether the people in the photo are siblings or dating. I've seen the photos and it's kind of hard and possibly disgusting.
Oh no!
You know, I don't know. I'm an only child. So to be fair, I brought my friends to play with you and me. So, Ate Isay and Mon, are you ready? Hello! Okay! Okay. So, the game is simple. I'm just going to show you photos from the Siblings Or Dating Instagram account. And we're going to guess whether the people in the photos are siblings or dating, okay? You should play along with us. Are you ready for the first photo?
So ready.
Yeah!
Hell yeah.
Okay. For our first photo, kita nyo ba? Do you see?
Yes.
Just, two people at the beach enjoying the floaty.
Hand placement, body language.
They don't look the same. I mean, they don't.
Oo.
They have no features that are similar.
But you
Yeah.
know, kapag yung mga Caucasians, hindi unlike us Filipinos na maghahawig talaga. There
Oo.
are, kasi marami silang pwedeng magkaiba yung parents.
Yung
Yeah.
chin nila, may split ba? Tinignan nila yung biological features nila.
Oo.
the chin, yung isa,
Oo,
what do you call this
pero-
chin?
May split
Left
yung
chin.
sa...
He has really nice hairline, heart shape. Or is it just the hair? Yes, heart shape hairline.
Parang widow's peak ang tawag. Peak ang tawag dyan. Ganun.
may tawag pala doon.
Oo, may tao. Yung pagpagano, yung parang buhok ni Vegeta. Widow's peak.
Yes.
Yeah. I think, for me, mukha silang siblings because kung nandiyan ka sa beach, parehas kayo naka-swimsuit, you're having fun, dapat mas closer kung bowa. Diba?
Totoo.
Ganon.
Meron din yung may similarities din sila sa chin. Yung sa babae subtle lang, pero kasi hindi rin naman kasi siya like abundantly
Pero alam mo,
pag
pwede nga, alam mo, tama ka, Mon. Because if you look at it, the girl is older than the guy. So, yeah.
Pero believe ako dun sa work ng dentals nung guy, like,
Yeah.
so perfect.
Nagiinis ako! Nagiinis ka!
Galing mo yan. Nice dental work. I don't know. Pero tama kayo. They could be siblings.
No,
The hand
yung
placement is making me uncomfortable.
totoo.
Yeah, pero
at the
nakaganon
same
kasi
time-
yung kamay.
Mm-mm.
It's not this.
Although, biologically speaking, may mga nakita akong similarities maliban sa eyebrows talaga, hindi talaga nag-match. Pero so far, yun yung, yun yung educated guess ko.
Okay, yeah. Parang siblings nga sila. Sige, let's see.
Okay.
Yeah, let's see. Should I? Okay. Siblings. Very good. I was not sure.
Kasi kung bowa na yan, kung ako yan, tapos bowa ako, you better hold me real tight now. Kailangan ganun.
Actually, ko naisip yun na. Tinitingnan ko lang yung biological features. Nadala ko sa ceilings na check.
Okay, next.
Ay!
Dance.
Oh God, it's worst!
Kasi, oh my God, hawig sila eh. Even the eyes, look.
Same sila halos ng color ng buhok. Yung eyes, ang weird.
Eyes, di ba?
Oo.
Oo, they
Pati
both have
kulay ng
devastatingly beautiful blue eyes.
Ay, nakakainis yung body language nila.
Yeah.
The guy better be gay. Kung magkapatid sila.
Asan ba yung kamay ni Guy?
Right. I think merong finger doon, May finger doon.
Yeah, pero baka because they look so alike. So, I guess, maybe, even yung shade ng pagka-blonde nila, it's the same.
My gut feel tells me na dating.
Me too.
Dahil lang dun sa body language. Pero
Yeah.
yung biological features nila, ang dami rin similarities.
Ako naman hindi. I mean, nung nakita ko parang magkapatid talaga. Because if that's a guy, ang hawak niya hindi sa likod. Dito sa waist. Paikot. Like that.
Right.
Actually.
Siblings for me. Mas
Siblings?
masyadong hawig. Hawig eh, no? Super hawig.
Sa akin,
Sobra.
sa akin dating. Scoring na ba tayo?
Yes.
May scoring ba?
Yes.
Do I win at least?
Dating siblings. Okay.
Dating
Let's
ako.
see. Dating!
Oh my God! Pati niyo naman ng konting landi yung buhay niyo. Nakabantay ba yung nanay mo? Baka naman rather than say na this is a new couple, baka naman old couple na sila. Kasi di ba minsan pag matagal nang magbawa, uy, hawag na kayo. Di ba ganun?
Yeah. Okay, next. Okay.
Why? Ba't yung pinipili nila, may balance nung dalawang element. Okay.
Ano kasi, talagang ang purpose pala nito is lutuhin yung mga utak natin. But for me, I think,
Yeah. What do you think?
parang dating. I'm not gonna push my breast to my brother's chest.
Paano pag wala? Di charot.
Chest.
I feel like-
Bawal ba i-press ang chest to chest?
Ito,
It's
feeling
weird.
ko,
In your bathing
siblings,
suit.
Kasi may energy yung guy na hindi siya straight.
Oh, you know what? You could be so right because my gaydar is like whacked. It's whacked.
Actually,
You
same.
can try
Pambangkay yung akin. Pero so far, like, if yun yung angle, like, I don't think hindi siya, I don't think na magiging uncomfortable sa babae na
Yeah.
press. Pakiramdam ko may product na eyelid ng guy eh.
Oh, well, you know what? Now that
Eyebrow?
you mentioned that, I'm gonna trust you. Yeah, my eyeshadow nga, I think. And I think he has something on his lids din na parang
Oo.
for the eyelashes.
Too perfect.
Right?
And yeah,
What is their natural, no?
Siya na!
Grabe naman yung facial features nilang dalawa, no? Right? Kasi yung facial hair, everything, even si girl, she has nice
Ayos eh.
brows, diba?
brows, yeah.
If straight yung
I think
guy,
they're
then
both,
that's straight
do you
up
think
na.
they're both wearing makeup? Are they?
I feel like
I
yes.
think,
Kasi
yeah.
may shimmer yung niya, yung dito niya eh.
Yeah. Or, actually,
Pero ni Ate Ann yan. Ah,
Is it a
Actually,
filter?
yun
Is it a
lang.
filter?
bakit siya gagamit ng filter?
right. And I think mas made up pa nga si guy kesa kay girl.
Right?
Right? The girl is like all natural and yeah, you're right, Mon. Medyo may shimmer.
Yung guy din, ang ganda din ng niya eh. Ako sibling.
I want them to be couples. Kasi parang even if I'm gay, I'm not going to hug my girlfriend like this.
Pero kasi
Yo,
tinanong
parang, ew. Ganun.
sa guy kasi meron siyang lollipop. Like, may mga straight guys na hindi sila komportable may nakikita unless that's smoking.
Salivating on a lollipop with my girlfriend.
Like, girlfriend.
Yeah. Siblings.
Yeah!
Yeah, siblings. Ako wala akong score. I did not earn a score. Ba, one is
O, diba?
winning. Did you prepare
Yeah.
for this?
Hindi ko. Actually, malala ako dito pag like,
Nag-track siya beforehand.
Eto we're I feel like dating to.
I don't want them to be siblings though.
Yeah.
Body language, wise.
dating,
I feel like
It's dating for me.
May hawig kay Tom Cruise yung guy.
Yeah, younger Tom
Actually,
Cruise, no? That's true.
I want to say dating.
Ah!
Hindi sila hawig, di ba? Hindi sila
Hawig. Ooh.
Oh no.
I feel like this is the same person. Like a Snapchat filter,
Oh.
whatever.
Very uncanny. Even yung skin.
Even the nose.
Skin
Yung
nila.
nose. Look at
Yung
the
nose. I mean, look at the bridge of the nose. It's the same.
The eyes.
Pero mukha silang mga Middle Eastern, Middle Easterner.
Yeah.
Oh,
So,
no.
the features there are kind of similar din. Diba? So, they kind of look similar with the brows and the way yung nose bridge nila. Pero, you know, and you know, if you could be, you know, if you're like married for how many years, minsan hawig na rin kayo.
Yeah, even their lips are almost
Kaya nga eh.
Pero look at the hand. Whose hand is that? Sa
I
guy?
think it is the girl.
Mukhang
Girl,
nakaganon.
nakaganon. Kuya, wag mo kong lapitan
Parang
masyado.
ganito
Kuya,
yata.
parang, kuya, lumayo ka kuya. Masyado malapit kuya. Ganun.
Wait lang.
I have couple vibe.
The thing is, hindi ka lalapit sa mukha ng kapatid mo.
Like that, yeah.
Ibahin natin yung ano natin kasi parang nililito tayo nitong game na to. So let's go the opposite way. So let's say na, I'll say na you're dating.
I'll say they're siblings. Masyado
Siblings.
nila. Yung biological features.
Yeah,
I know.
They're the same. It's like a
Screaming na
Snapchat
magkapatid.
filter.
Or
Actually,
like, hindi nila alam na magkamag-anak sila. That's still happening.
oh no, what? Oh my god, the plot thickens.
Is it because, we're all God's children? Ganon. Okay,
Let's
I
love
don't
one
like-
another. May category sa ano yan.
Why did I even say that? Please don't.
I am guessing siblings to.
Siblings.
Because of the
Dating.
biological features.
I was the first to say na parang super talaga silang magkahawig. But, you know, para may iba naman, let's try, you know, dating.
Okay, dating.
Ah!
Nahabol natin si Mon.
You know what? Because I think the reason they posted yung ganyang super magkahawig is to trick us into thinking na they are siblings. But they're not. Parang way mo na narcissistic ka. Oh my God, she looks so much like me, or he looks so much
Actually.
like myself, and I love myself, so I love you. Ganon.
I like how I look.
Mhm.
Diba? I will date someone within my radar, yung gene pool, yung gene pool.
Huwag naman gano'n.
In love sa sarili, sinota yung kamukha. Ganon.
Oh, next. Ooh, okay.
Oh, awkward. Ganun awkward placement ng hand.
Yeah, it's almost near the boobies.
Possibly dating for guys,
yeah,
hindi
yeah.
sa babae.
Me too.
Dating. I think they're...
dating.
Oo, baka pupunta sila sa prom or about to go
Oo.
out.
They look like they came from a grad. Parang
Yeah, so-
para silang fresh out of school, tapos he doesn't know his suit size. So, yun, parang ano pa.
Yeah, actually, at a certain age,
Like, you don't even want to wear this. They look good together, though. Talagang couple yung ano ko.
Yeah, because you know,
Diba?
they're a couple.
actually.
Think they're a
One couple?
Okay.
Okay!
Oh no.
What is going on here?
Hindi pa ano yan? Hindi pa face mask yan?
Oh.
ito yung the 80s still got to them. The 80s is still hurting them, look.
Hello, this is the 80s. Return my costume. 80s called.
Ay, baka naka-contact yung babae, naka-contacts.
Undilated
it's natural.
kasi.
Question lang, tingin mo ba, binilich niya yung buhok niya yung babae?
Maybe. I think so. Kasi hindi
Kasi
na
nag-show na yung roots
kulay
Oo.
But the eyebrows, actually he has better eyebrows.
It's sad. Facial structure though, yung sa jaw nila is may similarity.
His eyes are dead inside.
Like cut my hair.
Her eyes are full of life. And then
Because she's
he's just dead
the
inside.
favorite daughter. Siya ang paborito mong anak.
I'm gonna go with siblings to be honest.
Yeah,
Kasi
I
like,
will.
I don't even
Saka
know
yung-
what to say.
I'm gonna go with dating.
I'm gonna go with dating.
ako, mukhang may iwan ako.
I think they're happy.
I'm gonna go with siblings.
Siblings. Okay. We did it. Okay, next.
Strong start lang.
Right.
And that is weird.
It is very weird. Is it hot or is it cold? Give me one temperature.
It could be cold, but I'm hot for you, so that's why I'm half naked.
Like if
Oh
if
shit, in the
ng
middle
guy
of
na
nowhere
yung-
on a towel.
if tinatry i-impress ng guy yung girl, it would make sense.
Why is he lying down like that?
Wait, look at the guy's hand. Look at the guy's hand.
Which one? This one.
The
Okay.
other one. The other one. The other hand.
It's not even a flat surface.
Alam mo na panood ko na to Step Brothers yan.
Ha? Siblings, but also dating. What?
What?
Listen!
Pero maganda yung facial features. Yung facial features ng guy.
They're a couple who went for a run.
Parang tinatry lang natin
No,
i-justify
that
na,
shows.
Why they're lying down on a towel in the middle of nowhere. Yeah. And he's shirtless. Yeah, I think they went on a run and then he felt hot, sweaty.
Hopefully, that's the case.
Yeah, I think they went on a run. Ganun. But
Dating.
not on that shoes though. Yeah. Alam mo, di naman natin pinag-usapan na kailangan mag-iisip ako ngayon, di ba? Ay, ngayon dapat yung utak natin eh. Ang dami ko ng problema, paproblemahin ko mo pa to.
This is hard.
This one's hard. Kasi pag sinabi ko naman na hindi, mag-shota yan, sabihin, ako naman, napaka naman ni ate, malisyosa. Pero para silang, sige, I'll say na they are siblings.
I say they're dating. Like, yun lang yung may sense sa akin. If they're dating, okay. Pag siblings, why?
Oh no! Sorry, I was
Oh,
going to
no.
say dating.
Oh no!
You know why? Kasi si girl, di ba niyakap siya ni kuya, pero hindi siya yung talagang gumanon. Parang nakalapit siya pero nakalayo pa rin yung upper part ng body. See?
He tried to pull her, which is more awkward.
Yeah. Nakapanood ko na kasi silang dalawa.
Ah!
Where?
Link!
Send the link.
Okay.
Wow,
Oh
okay.
no!
This is how I would take photos with my siblings if I had one, if I had any.
Kaya kasi shoulder, di ba?
In fairness kay ate, bossin ang look niya ngayon.
They had to match, alright? Somebody told him he had to wear a blue tie.
If that's the case, and look at what she is wearing. It could be a prom.
Like, I feel like they're from a young age. Tapos like,
Yeah.
if they're dating, maganda ang maganda ang sense of style na nag-ayos sa kanila or kung napili nila yan. If siblings sila, that would make sense. May adult na nag-isip dito.
Ayan. So, welcome guys sa aming stream kung saan dating versus siblings / fashion police.
Love the outfit though.
Oh yeah, the dress is
Yeah,
gorgeous.
The color really looks
Ako rin
great
yan.
on them.
Pero sa ibang
I
bansa,
think they're siblings.
ako siblings ako. Pero kung prom siya,
They look like in a fancy hotel.
Yeah, kasi parang hotel yung setting eh. So, I'll go with
prom
dating.
date niya. Sa akin I'll go with dating din. Kasi parang
Dating.
it doesn't make sense bakit ka magkakaroon ng matching clothes pag magkapatid kayo.
Bagay.
Ang bata lang yun, di ba?
Oo.
Tsaka ito parang lang, kaya lang sana meron silang konting saya. Parang ano ba na, ang lungkot eh, di ba masayang pagsasama? Ano ba yun? I think what happened here is parang prom na, no? Tapos sabi niya, oh my God, wala pa nagaya sa akin. Ikaw na nga lang. You better wear some blue tie to match my dress. Ganon, sabi niya ate girl.
Okay.
Dating for me.
Dating.
Okay, I'm gonna go for siblings. Malay mo, debut niya or what?
Actually, hindi ko naisip yan.
Kaya pala
Hindi ko
sila
naisip
masaya.
hindi ko naisip yung debut. Sobrang last minute nun. Hindi ko
Okay.
naisip na na sobrang
Debut.
sobrang hirap ng game na to. Ang taas pala ng analysis na gagawin mo.
Yeah. Sabi ko, hindi ko maalam na mag-iisip ako ngayon eh.
Buti nagkape ako.
Naubos ko nga bigla yung kape.
Tapos ko ay iniinom ko eh. Diyos ko.
How about this couple?
Ito masyadong malapit. Pero at the
You're
same
this said
time,
couple. They actually look like a couple. They don't look anything like siblings. She looks like J-Lo.
Wow.
Oh, yeah. I'll check out that ass.
Yeah. She fine. She looks like J-Lo, so she really looks like a Latina, and he looks like from a different race.
parang
Maybe
yung
we
sa
don't
Aquaman. Ang pangalan sa Aquaman. Ano pa
Jason?
si Jason. Like, dito lang yung features niya sa...
You mean like if we blurred it, he would look like Jason?
Well, if they're siblings, then... I mean...
If they're
Kasi,
siblings, that rib is too close, okay?
yung rib nila naghahawak na actually.
Oh no.
No.
Grabe nababother ako sa dalawang to na pinagpala sa body type nila.
Right. He has that that V cut.
Kasi
I'm gonna sabi,
yeah, dating.
talagang difference na lang talaga ng culture. Their siblings. Ako, I'll go with dating. Because
I'll go
culture
with dating.
is charot.
My conscience is telling me that they better be dating siblings or dating, sorry. If they're siblings, parang see you on OF.com.
I am scared to swipe. The rib is uncomfortable enough, and then the hand locking is also, that's intentional, okay?
Pero kasi parang trick talaga.
Mabilis
Parang
ka, no?
alam mo yung trick question, parang mukha kami magbowa, pero dahil game to, we're siblings. Parang ganon. First look mo, maisip mo kagad, they better be dating. Pero, because since this is a game, we're trying to find out, they also could be, Told you guys, I told you.
I said dating. Ikaw, siblings?
Dating ako. Nag-contact ba sila ng mga magkakapatid? Like,
I think you can submit.
Kaya pala.
Pero kahit
Maybe they have different parents, like, iba yung mom or your dad. Kaya walang... And,
Wala.
at medyo baka malam mo, very...
Pero sa yung culture kasi ng ibang countries, iba rin talaga yung upbringing natin eh. Sa upbringing nga natin, this is weird.
Or maybe they're just really close. At malisyosa lang tayong tatlo.
What's wrong with us?
There's nothing wrong with them. There's something wrong with us too.
With us. We all know there's something wrong with us. Okay.
They have to have nice teeth. I mean, they have similar teeth.
Ito
this
medyo
one is just
tricky.
messing.
This is tricky.
Tinan mo, color ng eyebrows, shape ng lips, pati yung ilong nila, may may features
Eye
na
color.
magkaparehas. Kahit nga yung eyebags nila parehas na parehas.
The gums are probably genetical in the forehead.
Let's not talk about gums here. I hate you guys with your perfect teeth.
I would say
pinakaupo.
siblings. The guy
Siblings.
might be older.
Pero sa history ng mga previous photos, parang nananadya na sila eh.
Oo, yung pagmukha silang magbowa, biglang siblings, pagmukhang mag-siblings, mukhang magbowa pala.
Pero
What's your
I'm going with
answer?
siblings. Kasi
Sibling.
taas ang percentage ng similarities ng mukha nila eh.
Yeah,
Right.
tsaka they look wholesome together.
Mm-mm.
That's why I'm gonna go dating. Sabi ko I'm gonna go with dating. Sabi ko they look so wholesome. That's why I'm gonna go for dating. Sabi ko. Diba? Sabi ko, that's the difference. I know now. If it's very obvious that they look like dating or they look like sibling, it's the opposite. You will not trick me anymore.
Bakit parang patagal ng patagal? Parang pag green screen yung damit.
Kaya nga, mamaya nga, magiging malapit eh. Magiging salasat na lang tong harapan ko dito.
Holy shit! They look like stock photos.
Mas funny yung sa baba, yung sibling siya, dito yung
They're so dead inside. Alam mo yung have you played the game Sims?
Oo. Ito pa yung nababother ako. Like, yung camera is hawak ng babae. Like, it's here, pero yung camera nandoon. Like,
Yeah.
what the hell?
Yeah, that's how Sims characters work, right? Alam mo yung kausap mo nandito but you're looking in the middle of distant nowhere. This is when you Google, blonde couple with perfectly white teeth.
Blonde siblings with perfectly white teeth.
Can we not talk about gums and teeth? And
They use the same tanning lotion.
si Ken, yung partner ni Barbie, kung nabuhay siya
Yeah.
yon.
Probably, they use the same tanning bed at the same time.
Oo, buy one take one pala yung session. Oh my God,
There's-
nice teeth, guys.
Yeah.
That,
Nice.
wait. Yung left hand niya yan, I hope.
Oh my God, is that an engagement ring?
Kaya nga
But it's not in the ring finger.
Ay, nasa middle, it's in the middle eh. I'm just rich, I have a diamond on my finger.
Wait
I
lang.
love their
Engagement
eyes.
bang middle? Engagement bang middle?
No.
Siblings?
I'm gonna go with awkwardly dating.
Oh my god, they have the same dimple. They could be twins. Are they twins?
Could be,
Oh,
you know.
no.
Pwede silang fraternal.
Oh no! My brain,
They could be like fraternal twins.
my brain hurts.
I'm going to say twins.
Kaya nga eh. Nag 180 degree yung yung decision ko dahil sa term na twins. Like, but it makes sense!
Yes.
It does.
Oh no! Okay. I changed my decision. Masyadong malaki yung impact ng word na twins dito sa picture na to.
Siblings for me.
Ako twins.
Siblings.
I'm siblings.
Twins. Oh fuck.
So ano ba?
Oh my God. So it still works. Pag akala mo magkapatid, it's the opposite.
They're just out there to trick us.
You know, that's what overthinking does.
Di third na
Wala ba
po
tayo?
tayo?
Person.
Come on!
Gusto ko yung sa baba niya, oh.
Ito medyo mahirap yung sa baba. Oo, sobrang parehas ng nila. Ay, actually, akala ko parehas, pero yung facial feature, yung facial hair
They're
nila is,
dating. They're dating. And they're happy.
Dating.
And I'm happy for you guys.
Yeah.
They don't look like siblings.
akala ko nung
They
una
could
parehas
look like
sila ng
neighbors.
facial hair.
We're touching each other's breasts.
Oh no.
Maybe they meant to touch the armpit. I don't know.
Hindi
Why?
umabot. That's even worse. Hawakan mo yung armpit, that's way intimate.
I'm gonna go with dating. Kasi
Yeah, dating.
it has to
Happy
make sense.
dating. They're happily
Okay,
dating.
true. Same.
Sana ba?
What part?
Yung siko. Parehas sila ng siko.
Oh.
Oh
Sibling.
no.
Sibling because the girl looks older.
Yeah.
Or it could be the way she made up her face.
Right.
Parang, di ba? Baka masyadong nabook upan si ate. Pero parang siblings for me.
Parang masyado pa, siblings.
Ito na naman tayo eh. It's a trick na naman eh.
Masyado marami yung similarities nila. So, I'm gonna go with dating na lang.
Yeah,
Okay.
they're dating.
Good strategy. Kunyari siblings, para maiba lang. What the fuck?
Sana ba?
I told you,
Why?
we cracked the code.
They're just messing with us.
Good strategy.
Mm.
Ooh!
Wow.
At ang
Hello,
ganda-
side boob.
Ang ganda ng picture na to.
Right.
Ano?
Alam mo yun, they both share the same happiness.
Oo, like ito yung yung authentic na smile na alam mo yun,
Yeah.
yung perfect ratio ng ngipin tsaka yung mata na
Ang
may,
ganda-
nakita mo pa yung mata.
Ang ganda ng
like
smile ni
they
ate.
get to a new house together. making a story that they're probably siblings.
Yeah, pero feeling you're matching clothes. Literally matching their clothes.
They're not giving us any clue.
Ito mahirap.
Kasi
Like,
yung body language nila, siblings.
Selfie lang to, wag natin masyado pag-isipan. Siblings for me.
Siblings. They look like a
Wait,
couple.
pag masyadong parehas yung facial features,
Features. They're dating.
pag masyadong wholesome, you have to think the opposite at this point.
Yeah.
So,
They're quite wholesome.
They are.
I'm gonna go with dating.
Sige.
Di ba? Tawa nga, we cracked the code.
What is this? What's going on here? It's like you took a picture with a stranger and then, alam mo yun, you played with their face and you space swap.
Magiging
What
salasat
am I-
na ako mamaya. Oo. Green kasi. Putik.
Yeah,
Ayusin ko.
marami silang similarities.
The eyes are different, pero parang parehas silang
Ano yung ditong part?
Deep eyes.
Yung lips,
Oh, yung
dating.
eyes, no?
yung lips nung girl, like, badly needed, chapstick. Yung buhok.
I feel you.
Wag ganun, yung skin tone nila parehas.
Mukha silang siblings.
Oh,
Parang silang
no.
magkapatid na model.
I'm gonna go with sibling.
Yeah, siblings din for me. Tsaka hindi siya mukhang intimate. Parang nagpicture sila kasi intense ako, maganda ako. Ganyan.
Right. I look good today. I want to take photo.
Tapos, oh my God, andiyan ka pala kuya. Yeah, you can join. So,
I didn't mean to include you in the photo, but since you're already there.
join.
Siblings.
Okay, I'm going
Dating to. Dating to. Come on. Dating to.
My brain hurts.
Although they really look alike, ha?
Eto.
Magbawa tong dalawan to. Napanood ko yan eh.
I think they are siblings.
Look at how awesome they are.
Feeling ko, dating kasi normally siblings really don't enter the same phase pagdating sa style or pagdating sa
What are the odds that you will have 2 kids and they're both
at the same time. Unless fan talaga sila ng...
You guys watch too much movies kasi that
Ah.
only happens in the movies na kailangan yung kambat ka is a good girl, good guy, tapos yung isa punk goth na problem child, diba? Pero well, they look cute.
But bang.
Wow.
Yeah.
Nice
Actually,
grading.
Pride yung bangs niya. Tsaka ang wholesome nila. I mean, look
oh
at
no!
that.
Pag sinasabi mo yung word na wholesome, kino-question din talaga.
Kasi parang hindi niya maakap ng maayos. So parang,
Kulang siya sa protein para magkaroon ng lakas yakapin yung kasama niya.
kababangon lang sa coma nito. Ganon.
Ako dating. It only, parang dahil lang sa, dahil lang sa clothing or style nila.
Me
Kasi,
too.
parang it makes sense to match.
Gusto ko silang maging siblings para exciting.
Natawa ako dun sa elbow tattoo.
Yung cobweb.
Oo.
Wow.
Yay!
Oh, people thought 60% they're dating.
Dating.
Ooh. Okay, this one. Friends? Can they be friends?
Pagdating sa mga rave or concerts kasi, like, ang daming pwedeng sagot. Like, siblings can have the same taste in music.
Mm-mm.
Tapos,
And
like,
the girl looks so much older. Pwedeng talagang ate niya yan and they're just
Pero-
happy like that.
I feel like if you go to raves, you want to meet other people and not meet
Yeah.
your siblings.
Parang, don't damp my style, brother. Parang, doon ka.
Are they trying to trick us with the hug?
yun nga I'm thinking intimate, pero like, at the same time, we've been fooled too many times. So,
Yeah, I know. Exactly. That's what I'm saying, di ba?
They don't look alike. Ay, yeah, they do look, but yung ngipin. Yeah, I feel like that hug is just too on the front or what else. I hope they're dating.
I hope they're dating, so I'm gonna go with siblings.
Siblings. Kasi
Okay.
kanina I tried to prove na iba eh. Pero talagang,
Like they're
Totoo
trying.
talaga yung they're trying. So parang
they're
sinubukan ko baka
acting.
hindi naman ganon. But mukhang ganon nga. So, yeah, they look so good together. Kaya siblings
Right.
yan.
I'm gonna put some faith in this and hope that they're dating. Ah!
Oh no!
He's so new it na talaga. I'm not gonna change my tactic talagang. It's gonna be that all throughout.
It's working. Why change it? Ganun.
Yeah, why change ba?
But why?
Don't fix it if it ain't.
Yung siblings are dating natin na game. Papangalanan natin, but why? Okay.
They look like they're siblings.
Yeah.
So they're dating.
Hindi pa like this one. Habig talaga rin sila parang katulad ng kanina. Yung
same.
di ba yung Middle Eastern, ano?
There's no way those eyes are not genetic.
Wow.
I'm gonna date someone who looks like me. So I can have beautiful children that look like me.
I'm gonna go with
Yung sinabi natin sa Middle Eastern couple who turned out to be siblings. Or dating ba kanina? Sabi natin. Dating. So,
Ako, I'm gonna go with dating.
I'm gonna go with dating. Is that okay?
Dating.
okay lang pag-isipan ko silang dating.
May moral question. Ako, I'm gonna go with
Yeah.
dating.
Sige. Me too. Dating. Ikaw, Tizay.
Yeah, dating. Tapos siblings yan.
They look like siblings.
Oo, diba?
And they're dating. Is this the reality that the ones that won the genetic jackpot don't want to share?
Well, you know, that's been an age-old tradition. That's why, di ba yung mga Egyptians, pinapakasalan nila yung mga kapatid nila because they don't want the genetics to parang spread out. Yun yung mga ng mga royalty. And even, yeah, that's it. Kaya nga yung mga anak nila, di ba, may mga genetic chenilin. What the word? Abnormalities, yeah.
Would you date someone uglier than you? Oh!
Depende.
You know,
have
it
dated
really
some.
depends. It depends. It depends on this. It's okay.
Yeah.
Oh no.
What's going on here?
Eto masyadong mukhang dating. So I'm gonna go with Sip.
I feel like that's his aunt.
Parang tita naman to, tita di ba? Tita or versus dating, ganun.
Tita
Question
versus pamangkin.
Alam mo, napanood ko na rin yun.
Oh no.
Ay, nako.
Oh no.
Where are those hands? Oh! For a moment, it looked like her hand was connected to her elbow.
Oh, they're dating.
They look like dating, so I'm gonna go with sibling.
I'm gonna say sibling. Maybe that's his older sister. Ano sagot nyo?
Ako siblings because they look dating.
Aha. Magtita sila.
Magtita. Sibling.
Diba?
Older
Awa,
sister.
diba?
But, wait. Oh no. I mean, seriously.
Siguro kasi yung kamay is nakaganon lang.
They got weird bodies. We got all weird bodies.
At saka yung parang age difference nga.
Ano kayang kinain nila kasi ubus na eh.
Ibang ka.
Ang nanalo girl yung nag-post kasi napasakit nila yung ulo nating tatlo at the same time.
Nanalo si Ate Isay. 12 points.
Oh! Oh, hell yeah!
What's wrong with me?
Oh, natalo tayo ng green screen sa ano niya. Sa
Wala na,
shoulders
tinanggal ko
niya.
na. Wala na.
I hope you enjoyed this video. Do you think we can do more of this or never mind?
Actually, na-enjoy ko siya girl.
Malisyosa kasi tayong tatlo.
Congratulations, Ate Isay. He had better judgment among all of us.
Oo.
Judgmental kasi ako. Judgmental.
Nakuha niya agad yung trickery ng game. My God.
True.
Judgmental ako. Malisyosa.
Thank you so much for playing this game with me, guys. Kahit masakit sa ulo. What's your score? Let me know in the comment section below. Thank you for playing. See you on the next video. Bye-bye.